Bia kamal ka Nuer online TV channel na medera ner mala kenyam te kon kaler mijdit mabana lingre wich ka South Sudan kaler mishalat ki raj mishakwen kir mayadit ka SSBC South Sudan Broadcast Corporation ke South Sudan Television man la lere la ka la da tinen kir mayadit mo wojana jan chala do te ka kwarti che wuch jan ban lingwa same ka kwara to te kan kalwang medite long re wuch ka South Sudan gorno jin bi jan waka nasen ko kena lereme ko de lerte ti de kan kula mala shup shuja paru jan wajin bi subscribe ke bi notification be albi jetwan ko mishi lerben be shwa mala shup ka ji gwada dana pay larich ka jan lereme ken yambana jelat ka thoknath ka kor be je kwen ya ka thok English ko naga jeno de rame dong te ka liang mo gwa ke kana ling gwa ka tungna de je ling ka tok kawaini ke ka tok English ban shure lar kana me Kenya chalare nena kweren te passport ni pinde kiram dana la passport ni atop re wi ka South Sudan kiram te passport na tet kade shawuj akir ma yadit tikir ma yadit da kapchong ka shanka jandangro ka pairo ron kin dangro jandangro diech wad mi jalatin ka television ki SSBC kirma yadi che Major General Simon Major Pabek Simon Major Pabek ajaram dan la director ke general ka civil registry jala kweramo jan akwer nationality la nationality na la national ID card akwere jana kwer passport in kona kam kara la nyingjal kajan bo akwer immigration re which ka South Sudan en wudo mo cheje George lo changot kwerka kasha gwada cheje kam wudo dien mishale Major General Eli Costa Ilia Costa jaramadan en chakam larentama men chidot la general ke director general of civil registry nationality passport and immigration and on jaramadan chidot la queer sha wude me mishal ke general Simon Majur Pabek chaje wo ramdan let gwa passport ni no wal la wude shal ke general Simon Majur Pabek jen wa lerne wala country immigration authority kajen the first deputy governor ka central bank dung South Sudan jen chaje we kel ne senior officer ko kere we ka South Sudan che jen karwar chawo janen kir point na bashe won mishali yeni Samuel Costa mila deputy governor ka bank South Sudan chaje wuch anyok chagwar cha kam wudo dien mishal ka Addis Ababa uto jaram dan cha kame Addis Ababa uto jaram dan cha jaka deputy governor ka bank dung South Sudan wa uto ki Addis Ababa uto me geoje wut jen wut anywak jen wacha kona kwer ka pay badak ron kin dangro jen dangro yide raw mila kwer milat ka jen bang dung South Sudan money no chwaje kulo wo ka ron kin dangro jen dangro dio ka pay wel no no chwaje wo tin kan governor Johnny Oisa Damian chwa ko ka gwasi ran tam cha nyom kwa yang nyok chi ko gwat ken ray ken gejek no no kir bachene ko ken cha watch biya chuling agwa ka to English ba kwendia ka do bran en cha ja kwen gejek ka biya ran ko ken ba biya galen gwasame South Sudan President Salva Kiir has dismissed the head of the country immigration authority and the first deputy governor of the central bank, among other senior officials, in a new wave of leadership change. In a degree read on state television Thursday night, Kiir removed Major General Simon Majur Pabek as Director General of Civil Registry, Nationality, Passport and Immigration. He appointed Major General Elia Costa as his replacement. Costa previously served as a police commissioner of Lagos State and before that of Jonglei State. Kiir also dismissed Yeni Samuel Costa as the first deputy governor of the Bank of South Sudan, reinstating someone by the name Addis Ababa Uthau to the position. Without previously served in the role from August 2022 until he was sacked in October 2023, along the Governor John Oisa Damian. With Oisa returned as a governor in December 2024, Wutho now rejoined him at the central bank. He also chairs the board of directors of the South Sudan Civil Aviation Authority. In another key change, he removed Cosmos Pisha as Undersecretary in the Ministry of Mining and appointed Santino Matiok in his place. Matiok was briefly named Chief Administrator in the Office of the President in October 2024, but his appointment was revoked just 3 days later before he could assume office. His new role comes as South Sudan seeks to regulate its largely unmonitored mining sector, where gold and other minerals are frequently smuggled abroad. The president also appointed Nyol Justin Yach as the chairperson of the South Sudan Human Rights Commission, with Ezekiel Elsendi Gibson as his deputy. Nyol previously held the same position. Kir's latest appointment and dismissal follow a series of high-profile reshuffles in recent months, particularly in the security sectors, as his administration grapples with economic challenge and governance reforms. While the government frames this move as an effort to improve efficiency, critics argue that frequent change in a key institution risk undermining stability and continuity. Agenda na shalin wasme ne tiga ne da shajuj rai kwarka kir ma yadit ka jagwat ken chaka moch ka ne ko ken ti guja gwanu ka ne ti go shuje pero jano bi nyo anas ko ken ka shuje pero jano bi subscribe to notification bell ko blar tv kan chamal shuji bi ataka mal bye bye.